So I'm Dr. Paul, and we're just wrapping up our chiropractic personal injury attorney marketing series. And again, I say it's always the most lucrative thing you can do in chiropractic. And here's a classic example why. This is Dr. Jeff with us, and he just increased his business just under $700,000 in 4 months, right?
That's about right.
$700,000 in 4 months from this program, right?
Mm-hmm.
The Personal Injury Attorney Educational Center.
Yes.
Now, could you have, prior to this program, knowing anything, could you have done that?
Not even close.
Okay. And you've been in practice for a few years, right?
18 years.
18. So did you ever try to do personal injury in 18 years?
Yeah.
Have any kind of success like this?
No.
Not at all. Okay.
No.
So let's walk through there. So first thing we do is we learn the documentation, right?
Yep.
That go okay? No problems with that?
Oh, great.
How detailed was the documentation?
Extremely detailed.
Very detailed. Okay. Did you ever take any other personal injury cases before this one?
Yeah.
Was it
Yeah.
any of those like this one?
Nothing like this. No.
Okay, so this is real specific. So again, what we're doing was do the 10 categories of the financial drivers. So we basically go into great detail how to put this case together in great detail, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so we do that. But what's most important now is the marketing, because here's what's interesting about the personal injury. 75% of the attorneys don't even refer to chiropractors, but 87% of the cases are soft tissue injury. So we got this huge amount of potential cases, but they're not using chiropractors. That's the big problem. That's called opportunity too. So you found that out, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we teach you the marketing side now. So we went into a target market, different types of attorneys and which ones are better and worse to talk to, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we went into how to do a campaign, right? So you did the campaign. So you got your target market together, right?
Yep.
Now how many attorneys did you get together?
That we targeted about 15 to 20.
Okay, so not many.
For the campaign.
And you're in a
Yep.
town size of what population?
About 160,000 with the whole metro area.
Okay, 160,000 metro area, so you targeted about 15. And you actually did a small group presentation, not
Right.
one-on-one.
Exactly.
And we don't recommend starting group. That's a little more difficult. It's easier one-on-one, but you did it the harder way to start with.
Yep.
So you had 5 show up, right?
Yep.
And then you had, how many of them actually started referring you?
2 started referring, and 1 is mostly retired, but have a really good relationship with her.
Okay.
So we've referred to her. But
And this was your very first presentation.
yes.
First presentation, 3 out of 5 attorneys, over 60%, basically 60% referral rate from the first presentation, 60% referral rate. 1 was part-time though, okay?
Yeah.
And you average how many cases per month from those referrals?
About 6.
About 6. Now you have a higher dollar per visit in where you're at,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And yours is what?
About 10,000.
Okay, and that's definitely higher. So, so 10,000 for you was over 600, just under $700,000. Okay. So you increased your business in 4 months, essentially just under $700,000 a year.
Yep.
From this one program. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's say we have other chiropractors watching this. Obviously, most chiropractors won't be in a state where it's 10,000 per case.
Right.
But most states, it's usually around $3,000. So even if it was only $3,000, 3 times 6 is $18,000 a month, that would still be over $200,000 a year if you averaged only $3,000.
Yeah.
You see, that's from only one presentation. And by the way, how much did it cost you to put that presentation together? How much money did it cost you to increase your business $700,000 a year?
Maybe
A little bit of mailers,
500, yeah. A staff
some
member go out for
paperwork,
that
a little
thing.
labor. I
Yeah.
mean, some copy paper,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I mean, you didn't even do mailers, did you?
No, it was all face to face.
It was face to face.
Yeah.
Our marketing is face to
My
face.
assistant, my CA
with
did
copy.
almost all of it. Yeah.
And did you do some of the videos that we give too?
Yeah.
So we did the
Yeah.
videos. We did some copy paper, a little bit of labor. That's what stirred it up and got them all there. He does the first presentation. You've been doing it 18 years, never had any kind of success like that.
No.
Take the program, install the program, do the first presentation, have 3 attorneys, send you 6 cases a month worth around $700,000. How did that change your life?
In about every way you could imagine.
And like what? Give me some ideas. How did it change the house you live in?
I spent 18 years essentially broke, had no money. So yeah, we We went from renting a house to buying a house. I went from,
How'd your wife like that?
she rather enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Yes.
women kind of like
You know,
to have their own
better
home.
location, better house,
Right.
the whole deal.
How about a car? Get a new car?
Yep, bought a new truck.
New truck?
Yeah,
Any vacations?
Brand new
or-
truck. Yes, went vacation. Took the first vacation in a long time. Took about 10 days off.
Didn't you tell me you bought an RV or something?
Bought an RV this
Bought an
year.
RV?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Not-
way more free time because it allowed me to hire an associate.
And then you hired an
Get the
associate.
associate trained.
Now you have
I've
more
got
free time.
I've got
Now you're vacationing
more
more.
money to spend.
Boy, it's
Yes.
this program hasn't done you well, has it? It hasn't done good for
It
you at all,
sucked
has it?
bad. Yeah. I wish you had a better one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many, not to mean this in any way, but how many other chiropractors could do this if they knew it?
If you knew it, yeah, just don't tell anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Yeah, anybody
Right,
can
I
do
mean,
it. Yeah.
it's nothing
Yeah.
like extra special, is it?
No.
You just have to know it, that's all.
Easily doable.
Yeah, it's easily doable, dude,
Yeah.
yeah. That's chiropractic, personal injury attorney marketing, that's what we teach here. Again, I'm Dr. Paul, I opened 77 offices in 20 states, speaker in 3 chiropractic colleges, never lost a case in court. These were some of the systems that I put in place to do what I did, retired at age 33. Thanks.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Yeah.